Hello everybody and welcome back to
The Riche Live.
She's been working on that intro all week, so I'm happy she got to share it with you guys. Today we are making cookies and cream filled white chocolates for
Valentine's Day.
Yes. Before we get started though, I want to give a special shout out to Yotasha Taylor from Taylor Made Strawberries. We met her at the Ritz-Carlton. She's on the pastry team. She taught Riley how to make an awesome gingerbread house, and she gave me lots of great tips for how to make chocolates. So I'm sharing those with you guys today. Now don't be intimidated. Making chocolates is really simple. We're going to give you the steps. You can use our recipe with the white chocolate, or you can use a different flavor that you like. I also really like dark chocolate and sea salt caramel, so you can try that one too. So you want to make sure you start with good quality chocolate. We're using Ghirardelli melting wafers. If Riley doesn't eat them all, we might actually be able to make them for you on camera. We're also using crumbled Oreos. We actually took these from the Oreo pie crust instead of the actual cookies because it was a little bit easier. And we're using a little bit of cream, just a little bit, right? Just a little bit.
A lot.
You don't want to use a lot, trust me. I tried that and it just messed everything up. And then finally, we're using these silicone molds. These are so easy to work with. In fact, you can actually use them in the microwave. We're not doing that today because it would take all the fun out of everything, but you can definitely use the molds you buy in the microwave too. So now that the chocolate has melted, we've moved on to Riley's favorite part, which is painting the molds with the melted chocolate.
This doesn't look like what's supposed to happen.
I know, she's right. Right now, there's a very thin layer. You can see we've got to add another layer here to make sure that the outer layer of our chocolate shell is intact. Don't be alarmed if this gets messy. That's the fun part. All right, in the end, everything looks pretty, but as you're doing the chocolate, sometimes it does get messy. While our second layer is setting, Riley gets to do another really cool job, which is add the Oreo crumbles to our melted white chocolate for the filling. Yes, Mommy's gonna do the cream though, because we just need a little bit. And I think I can measure a little bit better than you, because I'm a little bit older, right?
No, you're bigger than me.
I'm bigger, I'm older too.
No.
Oh, all right, put some sprinkles of Oreo crumbles in here. Some sprinkles. I don't really measure, but we just want sprinkles. We don't want the whole thing, right? So just some sprinkles. Now that our filling has a nice paste-like consistency, we're just gonna leave it here to cool down until our second layer finishes setting. So in each mold, we're gonna go about 3/4 of the way up. You wanna make sure you leave room for the final layer of chocolate, which seals the deal.
Once the final step is
finished.
It's finished.
Yeah, once the top layer or bottom layer, depending on how you're looking at it, is set, you're just gonna pop your chocolates out of the molds. Just spread it apart like that, yep, and just push it. Pop, there you go. And there are your chocolates. You might have some spillage, that's okay. What I'm going to do while Riley continues popping is I'm just going to use my knife, just a small knife, to shave off the jagged edges, okay? To make the chocolates just a little prettier. So there you have it, our finished cookies and cream filled white chocolates for Valentine's Day. It was so cool making these with you guys. I hope you try them. I hope you also try out a little fancy packaging. We got all of this stuff from the craft store, and even this sticker in here that says homemade, because we made these in our home, and you can too. So I hope you try them. I hope you let me know how it goes, and I hope you subscribe too to stay up to date with all of the latest here at
The Riche Live.
Until next time, take care, everybody.
Bye-bye.